issued by your local law enforcement. Please stand by for further instructions. A civil danger warning has been issued by your local law enforcement. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. We have been alerted about multiple breaking-in incidents in your area. We had also received reports from multiple residents that someone has been stalking them. Some have reported being stalked for hours or even multiple days. Unfortunately, these incidents are not caused by a group of people as it would have been dealt with already, or we would have been in the process of finding and arresting them. These incidents are also not done by a single person, or even a human. All of these incidents are caused by entities known as stalkers. As of now, we are not sure how many victims have succumbed to them. We are currently estimating around 66 residents from your area. We are also unsure as to how many of them are currently located in your area as of now. Here is a more detailed description. A stalker is a tall black entity with long hands, legs, a large head with big black eyes and a massive mouth. We know that the stalkers tend to strike the most when their victims are alone. The attack can last for just a couple of seconds. The only way you can defend against them is by using a strong firearm. This is all for now. Stay tuned for updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.